In this video you are going to see how a fantastic aggressive player managed to succeed with the black pieces. I'm talking about Grandmaster Stelios Halkias. With white pieces we have Vlahos Kiriakos, and both of them are playing in Greek Team Championship 2022 in Greece. And here we have this move, and he would like to play the King's Indian attack. Stelios is playing this system in these recent years, 21, 22, and the good thing about the King's Indian attack is that you can use it against the move d4, the classical d4 opening, or against the English c4. And let's see now, he played here, and now he played the move e5, try to control the center, stabilize the center control, and occupy the black squares. And after this we have a very important move. He played this move knight to e7. Why he developed the knight here and not on f6? The idea behind this move is to keep free this pawn f, and maybe later start attacking with this move f5, f4 and things like that. So for that reason he put the knight here on e7, and after that we have this here, developing the pieces, and now he just played bishop to e6, not only attacking this pawn but have something else in mind. There are four main reasons actually that you should not castling instantly, and this is one of them. You should not castle when you can attack, when you have possibilities to attack. And here you can see black has this possibility to play h5, h4. Obviously he didn't do it instantly, he played queen d7 and after that started attacking. But he didn't attack, he didn't castle because he would like to attack. And if you see this video now and you are approximately 1000 elo player, then I suggest you just to castle in order to secure your king, because this technique is a more advanced technique. Now we have this move b3 here, there, and as you can see, white just played all of the natural moves in the world. Actually, I'd like to mention that white player is 2300 elo player, FIDE, close to FIDE master, right? Very nice player, and he would like to play something like this, maybe d4, maybe later queen, or to play queen here, bishop there, rook on d1, and later to play the move d4. He played very naturally with his pieces, but the problem is that he didn't attack, and for that reason black took this initiative and he is starting attacking by himself. Now he played bishop on b2, and I was thinking, why not play h4? What are you going to do here actually with the black pieces? He would like to stop your attack, and here we have a very nice breakthrough. This is how to play positionally with the pawns. The pawns can play this move g5, try to create the breakthrough and give more activity to the pawns, because after this he can play h4 and he's sacrificing one pawn in order to liberate the position, to open up files against the enemy king side. This is the main idea. For that reason he didn't play h4, he just continued developing his pieces, knight strategy, and after this he played d4, bishop here, tried to exchange a key defender, and now he's threatening to capture there, to capture here, and after that the queen can join the attack on h3 with check. I hope you can foresee two moves ahead, right? And now we have this one, takes, bishop g4, continue insisting to exchange this powerful bishop, and after this he played takes. And now white player played this move knight to b5. I learned this tactic because one friend of mine, George Kutsogoulas, nice guy, very cool guy, he played a blitz game against Hikaru Nakamura in January 2021, and Hikaru with the black pieces, actually my friend George had the white pieces start the game with the move b3, here is the b3, and the black player Naka play this system with fianchetto, and right now he created this tactic, a similar tactic, and unfortunately black cannot take on e3 because this bishop is hanging. Tactics is one of the most, if not the most important part of the games. Your plan could be successful if you use the tactics correctly, and the tactics can be accelerator to your plan. With Grandmaster Stelios Halkias we created this amazing chess course here on tactics and calculation, and you can read the description. We have a lot of lessons and 100 exercises there. If you follow the blog post, then you can read more about Stelios' life. You are welcome to click the link below the video and learn more. This is the tactic, and for that reason he played knight to to b5. This is the idea behind that move, and after that he can recapture this pawn either way he likes, right? He can take it with many pieces and pawns here. He has a lot of forces to recapture that one. But Stelios here just captured there. He knew this tactic actually, but he did it in order to free the square e5, and more pieces are joining the attack. And here you can say, wait a minute, I can capture a pawn right now, attacking the rook, right? But this is a very bad strategy, because here we have a check. And what are you going to do here? After this, we have a checkmate in one move. In my Greek videos, I played little automatically, and the first move that came into my mind is this one. It's winning as well, and after that I foreseen the checkmate in one move. If you manage to find it, you are welcome to write a comment below. Checkmate in one move right now. And for that reason he didn't capture that pawn. And actually I should mention here, after this and this, he cannot really recapture with the bishop, because white bishop will land there, and then we have this checkmate with the rook actually here. For that reason he just captured here, we have a check, and again he cannot recapture because we have the same checkmate pattern, Greco or Anderson checkmate, I'm not sure. In any case, it is a checkmate with a bishop and rook. This is what you should remember. And after this check he ran here, and now we have takes, and win the exchange. White players wisely sacrifice the exchange in order to decrease the activity of the black pieces, but actually exchange is important. And after this he played there to exchange this powerful bishop, and now black has a winning advantage. We have this move, takes, long castling, obviously long castling, because his next move is to double the rooks on the h5 and continue h5 and continue attacking. We have that king b8. Never late to lose a game by a mistake, because your opponent didn't resign actually. He's there. He's continue playing. He would like to do something, and right now he's attacking this pawn on a7. You have to foresee this one, and Stelios obviously played this move. And after that, the first move that came into my mind here is knight to c6 actually, to exchange some pieces and decrease the activity of black pieces. But look at how Stelios did it. He played this move here, continue playing his plan actually, and after that we have some exchanges. And right now it's the moment, because I had this idea to exchange the pieces, but he played this aggressive move c5. He would like to win in any case, and he would like to keep the pieces on the board. Why to exchange this knight with that knight? Because this knight has a bright future. He has a lot of potentials, because after this obviously he is threatening here. He played that move, attacking the queen. Queen has to go away, and after that we can play the move a6, kick away this knight as well. And after all of this sequence of moves, he would like to keep this knight alive, because this knight can jump on e5, he can jump here, or he can go in the king side, and we have this check on h3. Not right now, because the knight, if you go there, your knight will take, but he can play g5. Here he can play g5, kick away this knight, and after that this square will be free. This is a very aggressive move actually, and you should keep it in mind. No, don't just exchange the pieces, try to create something better. And now we have this one. And by the way, if you're just playing blitz games, a lot of blitz games, you're trying to exchange pieces automatically. And now I'm trying to experiment with new things, and I played rapid games with more time on the clock, because I'd like to think these ideas. You have this move, and if you find a good move like knight to c6, it's a good move, try to find a better one. And maybe better one is this one. And after that he played here. Now we have this, and kick away this knight, and you can see what he can do actually, because he's driving his pieces, enemy pieces, out of his position step by step, decreasing the activity of the enemy pieces, and then he's going to attack. And now we have this one, decrease the activity of the pieces. And here I have another question. You have the option here with white pieces to jump on d5 or going back, and during the game he just played this move, and I was wondering why he didn't jump forward there, right? Why? Can you see why? Because if he goes there, he can give a check, and after this you can play the rook, and now the checkmate is here. He's going to win the game in any case. And why he's stopping even for a moment this maneuver by this one. Why we cannot give another check on h3? He did it, and now we didn't. Why he didn't play rook to h8? Because the knight is not there, not obstacle the queen can take the pawn. For that reason he didn't play there to lose a pawn. Black is winning in any case, again he is winning, but he didn't give this one. He played this move knight e5, very nice move, because now he is threatening a double threat, a double attack here on f3, attacking the king and queen. But if you look at a little more carefully, knight to f3 is not only a double attack, it is a checkmate there. For that reason here white played this move queen here on e3, try to protect that square, but now he is not attacking the pawn on d6, and for that reason we have time to play rook to h8, and now he's going to win. He's going to win, and let me put this move. Actually white player just resigned, but what will going to happen after this move f3? Can you find a checkmate in 2 moves? If yes, you are welcome to write a comment below. So, good luck, Black's turn. Thanks for your time, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Here it's time for action. This is the initial page of my website, and here you can click Give me access to get access to free lessons. You can read this page, and if you scroll down, here you can add your name and your email. After that, you're going to take a free lesson how to avoid chess blunders. So, time for action is now, and you're very welcome to join my mail list.